This Ingersoll RAN module arrived from a customer that works in the construction equipment service industry. The unit is the main controller used in a Volvo SD-77F roller compactor, and it sets the frequency of the vibration for the roller. We determined that this unit could communicate, but the output stage for the vibrator actuator had gone bad, so we performed a full refurbishment along with the repair in order to get the system back up and running. As shown in the video, we attached the system to a feedback signal. This simulates the position sensor system of the roller the module is out of. At ERD, we provide our industry-leading 3-year warranty and in-house testing in order to show our dedication to quality repair and customer satisfaction.